as one of the only Jewish kids in school, it was both a thing I thought was kind of special and a thing that was just so weird, and I knew that kind of separated me from other kids. And then at that point, I was already interested in my family history. And then to think that we have family from so far away, and it's not just in the past, it's not like we have origins in Russia or something like that, it's we have actual family from there. And then it was this exciting thing, and I was an only child. And so my cousin, I'm trying to think how old she must have been when she came to the US, young. I mean, she was like she was, I don't know, in kindergarten or something like that, right? So also the idea that I would have like a new person, a new kid in my life was cool. And so my uncle came to stay with us while he was looking for a job and thinking about a green card application. And just, his English wasn't great, and he stayed with us for a while. We all kind of passed him around. And then also just as an only child, to have like another person in the house was so thrilling. And so he wanted to know all the names for the different glassware, right? What's a cup versus a glass versus a mug, all of these things. And again, I was so young, I was like, oh, like, I don't know. But it was cool to also kind of like be the expert in this weird way as a kid. And I don't know, I don't have really specific memories, but I think I just thought it was a special thing. And it was something where, this kind of consumed our life for a few months at least, right? Kind of figuring out like, will our family be okay? Will they be able to immigrate? Also like, what is Russia without the Soviet Union? Like, where does my family even come from? My grandmother went to, she went in 1990 to Moscow, and she brought back a Russian flag, right? Which now I don't display anywhere because the world has changed quite a lot. But this sense of like, oh, this is like a new country. This is a new old country. And I, thinking about now, it's like, I wonder if that's where my interest in history and in governmental change came from. I'm not sure I would say that, but it's a possibility. But just the sense that we have this family and they live really differently from us. They don't speak English. Like, this is gonna change my life.